Hey guys, welcome back to your own channel Boost Up Confidence. I'm Michelle Samuel. Today I'm gonna to share with you the 4 things that you should never be shy. All these 4 things are very realistic in itself and encouraged by the top successful people in the world. Let's explore these things that you should never be shy at all. Number 1, old clothes. You have to never shy to wear an old clothes. Everybody has the selection to wear the manner he wants to wear he can. For a few people, showing off clothes, if they do not show off their new clothes, then they don't feel comfortable. For them, new clothes are so important that if they do not wear new clothes, then their confidence level goes down. If you go searching, you should visit history. Then you will find maximum of the people who went from rags to rich is no way did show off of wearing new clothes. Even their dressing patterns used to be very simple. They wear anything that give comfort to them. And due to the fact your clothes do not define your talent. If you have talent, then your clothes will never no longer matter. Number 2, old parents. You should never shy to have your old parents with you because anything you are today of your parents, okay, they give everything that they could. So next time if you find some issues together along with your parents, do not be shy or show your anger to them. Number 3, simple living. If your living style is simple and also you do not like to do a lots of fashion and show offs, then you definitely need to not shy at all. Even maximum of the people in the world who accomplished a stage in their life, they also prefer simple living and high thinking because they agree with that a person should live a simple life and his mind and thought should be high. You cannot judge a person by his living style. Most people, even in history, were very simple living, like Dr. Abdul Star Edi, APJ Abdul Kalam, and Mother Teresa, and many others. Number 4, poor friends. Your poor friends provide a message to society that we all are human beings and there is no parameter to map the relationship through the popularity or status of the people, whom to make friend or whom to not. If you have friends who care about you and who help you while you need them, then you definitely should not be shy to make them friend. One thing very important you also remember while making friends, that your friends ought to be financially poor, not mentally poor. If they may be financially poor, then something may be done. However, if they are mentally poor, then you definitely should not make such people your friend because in long term you will start adopting the habits of your friend, which will bad thing for you if you take the habit of poor mentalities person. Okay, this is something that I really wanted to share with you, and thank you so much for watching this video. This has been 4 things in which no one should try. If you like this above, and share this with your dear ones and subscribe my channel for more hit videos, and take care of yourself.